Tornado kills mother and her daughter. 3. As powerful storms bear down on the south. First victims identified as region braces for high winds, torrential rain and flash floods. A tornado briefly touched down in San Antonio on Sunday morning. Heavy rains are expected throughout the southern states this week. Flash flood warnings are in effect across Texas, Louisiana and Mississippi. A woman and her toddler have died after their house flipped over during a powerful storm that hit Louisiana on Sunday morning. Francine Gotch, 38, and her daughter Neville Alexander both perished when their trailer in Breaux Bridge was destroyed by heavy winds that are being characterized as a possible tornado. Through Monday, a powerful jet stream disturbance will produce the storms across the entirety of the southeast. A tornado briefly touched down near San Antonio on Sunday morning, and severe weather is expected to descend on the southern states this week. Heavy rains that could cause flash flooding, golf ball-sized hail and strong winds are predicted to slam Louisiana and Texas particularly hard. According to weather.com, threat of severe thunderstorms will be in effect across eastern Texas to the Mississippi Valley, where supercells will also be present, which is characterized by an upward swell of winds. Up to 8 inches of rain is expected in hot spots across the Gulf regions in Mississippi, Louisiana, and Texas. A number of people were rescued in Del Rio, Texas on early Sunday morning as severe rain pounded the city.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.